Are you a working mom from the Philippines, feeling overwhelmed by all this talk about digital literacy? Don't worry, mommy, I've got you covered. Hi there, I'm Frankie from the mothership, and as a fellow working mom from the Philippines, I understand how intimidating it can be to navigate the world of technology. But let me tell you, digital literacy is not just for tech-savvy individuals or the young generation. It's a valuable skill that can benefit you in both your personal and professional life. Watch until the end of this video to find out why. Now, this is a video series that will cover digital literacy. For this first one, we'll specifically focus on how it can help Filipino working moms like us. I know you want more videos like this one. So hit the like and subscribe buttons. You can also click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the new videos I'll be posting on my channel. So, let's dive in and level up our digital skills together. As a working mom, you may already use technology in your daily life, whether it's for work, communication, or entertainment. But digital literacy goes beyond simply knowing how to use a device or an app. It's about being able to critically think and solve problems using digital tools. Mommy, it's the 21st century. So much has happened in the world of technology, and it's constantly evolving. As working moms, we need to keep up with these changes to stay relevant and competitive in our careers. Not to mention our homes. We have growing kids who are also using digital devices and the internet more than ever. As parents, it's important to be able to guide and protect our children in this digital world. But wait. Did you know that in 2019, the United Nations reported that the Philippines is the world's first in terms of digital illiteracy? Crazy, right? We're actually the 8th country to have the most active TikTok users, and the 6th to have the most active Facebook users in 2023. If you want to know more about this, you can go to statista.com. But guys, this is social media. These apps are quite easy to navigate, and with our love for socializing, it's not surprising that our country is one of the top 10 countries in the world with active users. But when it comes to using technology for productivity and critical thinking, that's where digital literacy comes in. So what exactly is digital literacy? Digital literacy is the ability to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information using digital technologies. In simple terms, being digitally literate means knowing how to use technology to your advantage, effectively and confidently, in achieving your goals. As working moms, we're constantly juggling multiple responsibilities and often don't have time for lengthy training or courses. But let me assure you, digital literacy is not rocket science. It's all about being curious, willing to learn, and open-minded. Now, you may be wondering, why is it important for Filipino working moms to be digitally literate? Well, let me give you a few reasons. First of all, being digitally literate gets you to simplify tasks. Mommy, we live crazy lives at home. That alone is a full-time job. And if you're working or running your own business, how do you even begin your day? From managing schedules to grocery shopping, technology has made life easier for us working moms. You have a few reputable mobile apps that offer convenience, with features like calendar reminders and online shopping platforms. Being digitally literate can also improve your personal and professional efficiency. From managing schedules and tasks to connecting with other professionals, technology can make our lives easier if we know how to use it well. Secondly, you get to connect with loved ones across the world. When I got married, I moved out of my parents' house. I missed them so much and wished there was an easier way to stay connected. Luckily, technology has made it possible for us to easily connect with our loved ones. Video calls, social media platforms, and messaging apps have made it easy to stay in touch with family and friends who may be far away. And, as a busy working mom, these tools have been a lifesaver in keeping me connected with my loved ones, despite my hectic schedule. OFW family members, you know how crucial this is. Just connect to your Wi-Fi, get on a video call, and you have a little slice of home right in front of you. Being digitally literate also increases your employability. In today's job market, most companies require basic digital skills, even in non-tech roles. You see, in my line of work as an HR professional, gone are the days of hard copies of employee documents for their 201 files. We have HR information systems that can create and automate employee profiles and folders online. Paperless is definitely the way to go. Timekeeping and payroll are also now done through online payroll platforms, making it more efficient and accurate. You have happier employees, getting paid correctly and on time. In the past, I also used to have stacks of resumes on my desk when a job opening came up. Now, with job portals and applicant tracking systems, it's so much easier to sift through candidates and find the perfect fit for the team. But I digress. Mommy, you know what I mean? I had to learn to use these apps. I had to train to be super users of these platforms. You go to these job boards like LinkedIn Jobs, JobStreet, and Indeed. All roles will have either a required knowledge in using certain apps, or it's a plus. Heck, if you want to find a work-from-home job, you'll need to be comfortable using remote collaboration tools like Zoom and Slack. Believe me, endless opportunities are waiting for you when you're digitally literate. Finally, if you're digitally literate, you stay relevant in this fast-paced digital age. Mommy, technology is constantly evolving. The latest computers and mobile phones today will be replaced with better ones 6-7 months down the road. The same goes for software applications. And as working moms, we need to adapt and keep up with these changes to stay relevant in our respective fields and even in our own homes. Remember, our kids are growing up with all this technology around them. We need to be able to understand and guide them in this digital world. Now that we understand the importance of digital literacy, I have a few tips for you. Be open-minded and willing to learn. The first step is always the hardest. I mean, from the OG Nokia phones to BlackBerry, to iOS and Android phones, there is a learning curve that's well worth your time. Don't be afraid to ask questions and explore new technologies. The more you learn, Mommy, the more confident you will become. Start with the basics. Begin by familiarizing yourself with common digital tools, such as email, social media of course, and word processing. Once you've mastered these, you can move on to more advanced skills and basic computer functions like file management and data entry. Remember, Mommy, tech skills are the minimum requirements for any job right now. You might as well start learning right? Take advantage of online resources. There are plenty of free tutorials, courses, and webinars available online to help you improve your digital skills. Take advantage of these resources to upgrade your knowledge. I know you're busy, but if you set aside a few minutes every day, you'll be steps away from upskilling. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to improve your digital literacy is by practicing what you've learned. Use technology in your daily life and incorporate it into your work and home routine. Create that habit, and I promise you, it will become second nature to you. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling with a particular skill or technology, don't hesitate to reach out for help. There are always people willing to lend a hand and share their knowledge. Check with your family and your coworkers. Or if you want, you can check with me. If you have questions on digital literacy, feel free to type them in the comment section. As Filipino working moms, it's important for us to constantly strive towards improving our digital literacy. Not only will it make our lives easier and more efficient, but it also opens up endless opportunities for personal and professional growth. Don't be intimidated by technology. Embrace it and use it to your advantage. Remember, mommy, with the right mindset, anyone can become digitally literate. So go ahead, explore, and discover all that technology has to offer. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Questions and comments down here in this section, please. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Now, since this is a video series, my next video will cover the basics of email and how it can be a useful tool for us Filipino working moms. Till then, stay curious and keep learning. Thanks for watching the Mothership, and see you in the next one.